Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do something different. We will prepare a vision board. I'm so excited. I also prepared last year and I was so satisfied with that because at least 80% of this is accomplished. Now what we have, let's check. We have, of course, a file filled with dreams that I want to create routines like exercising, like reading books. At least I want to improve, or maybe like traveling, seeing new places. I want to continue. I want to make money. You will see. And of course, we have a glue stick, of course, and I have a canvas here. Let's get started. Okay, I'm opening my file. Lots of energy. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. I'm gonna open this thing. Woo, here we go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay. First of all, I want to start with this because I will put this. I will put this on the center. That's why I will start with this. I'm gonna stick this. I'm so sorry, but first I will put this. You don't need one, right? And I think this is the biggest picture, by the way, unintentionally. I have seen lots of vision boards on Pinterest, and I'm afraid to say that people put lots of unrealistic pictures on it, and I don't think that it's a good thing because it loads lots of pressure to people. Like, okay, you will do it, you will do it, you will be perfect. No, we don't have to be perfect. We don't have to be perfect, and we cannot be. So I don't know. I don't like so much pressure, to be honest. That's why no. I don't know if you can see. I need this. I really need this. Okay, my body craves this. My body craves this. And four corners, I'm putting blue, and then in corner. I want to paint. I love paint. But circumstances, working too much, at to work, you get too tired to do anything creative, just laying on the sofa, just listening to music, and just liking YouTube shorts or Instagram or TikTok, whatever. But I don't use Instagram, TikTok, but to be honest, I swipe so much on YouTube shorts. And this is something very important for me, to take some time alone, but like quality time, This is so good. Okay. I want to go to ancient cities. I love visiting ancient cities. Like look at this, or look at this, or look at this. Most probably this is Herodotus, or I don't know, because there was a philosopher who lived in Ephesus. I don't know. I want to visit Ephesus again, and I want to visit like so many ancient cities because it makes me feel like a traveler. I feel like I'm a time traveler. This year, I want to make ceramics like more than ever. Like, I want to do it every week. And I already agreed with an artist. couple more. Okay, I'm done. I'm excited. Look at this. Look at this. This is too much. Too much goals. Too much goals regarding skincare, regarding moving abroad, regarding health, regarding regarding sports, regarding painting, ceramics, money, traveling, YouTube, sun, sea, meditation, art, and taking some quality time on my own. If I make it happen, I'll be so happy and I'm so proud. I hope your vision board will make your own dreams come true. Thank you so much for watching.